Just do it. Just do it. Just do it.
Okay, what's up, guys? Creeper Cody here. Also known as Vinny. If you didn't know, now you know. So today, we kind of went with like a goofy ass video, and
Sorry, I'd like to ask a question. Why does it look like an apple pie from McDonald's?
I don't know. Hold on, no, let me do this really quick. So, we kind of just went for the goofy video. And this is going to be a hen.
Food poisoning.
1 second. Deodorant. Hold on. Deodorant, melatonin,
I use it.
garlic powder, eggs, ketchup, and chocolate chips.
Shells.
So, non-toxic. You can make these at home. It was pancakes.
You can make these at home.
You can make these at home. You use it.
And you won't die.
I use it.
So,
It looks like a cinnamon bun, like the thing in the bag.
If you guys enjoy, press the like button. If we get the 10 likes, I'll do another one of these. And for every 10 likes, it will be basically the top.
Unlock a new item in the kitchen.
Yes, and that would be each top comment. So say you have 60 likes, that would be the top 6 comment. So.
Bro, this kid talks too much.
Without further ado, let's.
Shut up, Vinny. We came here to watch you eat pancakes. Eat the fucking pancakes.
Oh, sticking to the plate.
Oh my god, no.
No way.
No way.
No fucking way. Deodorant.
I'm gonna be done.
I can't even get it on the fork.
Okay.
Maybe the syrup will just drown it out.
I'm stunned that I'm not seeing the ketchup.
Vinny, move the plate into. Vinny, move the plate into
move
camera.
the plate into the camera.
Okay.
Vinny, yeah, there you go.
Alright, hold on. I gotta move the camera. One
Oh
second.
my god.
If you see this space of film, like, you'll know the more and who fucking did it. Hello.
Oh wow.
Alright. Ow.
You got it.
You got it. We got it.
Oh wait, he just ate it.
Is it yummy? Oh, he froze. It was so disgusting. Oh my god.
Was it good? Is it good?
We need to know.
Yes or no?
Second bite, please. Second bite, please. I didn't know.
Hold on.
Second bite.
Is it good?
Okay.
Is it
Not
good?
bad. Is it moving in your stomach? This dude's got more of a commitment than me. I wouldn't have ate that shit.
Okay.
Is it good?
No, he's not. He's just ate enough poison to kill a cat.
Kill a cat.
Okay.
Was it good?
Was it delicious?
Was it delicioso?
So, did you order?
The important question: would you take a second bite?
No.
Oh, bitch.
The deodorant really kicks in, that like strong deodorant smell, like you actually like taste that.
Give one to your dad. You have to.
Hell no.
Dad, say, Dad, look what I learned.
Hell no.
Give one to Phil.
So, the deodorant actually like really comes up. It smells a lot like.
That was the special.
It smells like. Shut the fuck up. It smells a lot like the garlic powder, but like the garlic powder is like only a minor condiment, not like an actual like heavy hitter like the deodorant. Another thing is, I probably shouldn't have put too much water. It's very thin.
He's giving a full review.
Yo, bro.
Let's be honest. It smelled like garlic and it tasted like deodorant. Is it a win or no?
If I were to rate this out of 10, I would rate it a
9.
I would rate it like out of like liking it 1, I hate it. 10, I actually really like it.
10 is tolerable.
A solid 3. I thought this was gonna be a solid 2.5. Or no, like a 2 more.
Like a 2.5.
2.5.
It was really. It was obvious. It was obviously bad. You're fucking putting ketchup, deodorant, and.
Vinny, why did you put the eggshells in there?
Oh, I did. Oh, I did. No, I did.
He added chocolate chips in there too.
Did he actually?
Yeah, just
Yeah, he did.
that's all the black
Oh,
spots. That's all the black spots.
That was like the only one good ingredient.
That was all the black spots. But yes.
No,
So
the garlic powder was good. The garlic powder.
so yeah. Would I do this again? And
Yes.
eat it? 10 really likely, 1 not really likely. I would give it a 6.5.
Do it again. The answer.
So
we're view pigs. We're view
I get out of hand a lot with my friends. This is probably the one time. And this is really like funny thing that I don't think it's gonna kill you, but your reaction is actually pretty dope.
Whose reaction?
So yes, thank you for watching. I have a lot of
If you think
I have a-
TikTok, this has been like 20 minutes, not 1 minute.
I have a lot of fans that like are like, what the fuck did he just do? But yeah,
See what he thinks of this.
so yeah, send those likes in, comment, and yeah, let's go. Peace.